so dumb. Hey guys, what's up? As you saw in that first little clip, when I said I was dumb, it's pretty true. I'm riding a skateboard with like the loosest trucks in the world. Look, you can hear them. Like, I'll show you. That's how loose they are. It's pretty bad. But I'm gonna try to throw some tricks down, so I don't know. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe I'll kill myself. So I'll try to do a pop shove it. It's so weird. Just try doing an ollie first. Oh god! Like, they go every which way. Look at that. It's hard to even, like, stand on it without turning it. Okay, pop shove it. Try this one more time. Jeez. I'm, like, scared that it's gonna slip out from under me. So hard. Just watch my face when I do this. Yeah, but they're like so loose that like I was riding it for a second just to see if it would like work in the video. That like one of the nuts came off, and I have the Allen wrench nuts, and those hardly ever come off. Again, pop shove it. Jeez. Try a cigar flip. That's like, or a cigarette flip. I mean, it's like the worst one. Nope. Good. Try it again. Do it the simpler way. Nope. Let's try kickflip. Never tried this before. Nope. Heel flip. God. Nope. Almost went under a car. Okay. Whoa. Jeez. This is such a dumb idea. I heard one of you, I think, wanted me to do this. I'm doing it. I don't know. It's really, really hard. Okay, I'm gonna try to pop shove it one more time. Nope. Okay, this is the last time I'm doing it. I know I keep saying one more time, but it's just fun. Nope. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to end the video here because I think this is kind of boring. It's really, these trucks are so loose. Cannot believe it. But, yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.